Hello guys, this is Mark from Always Soul 123 video walk around for a Volvo, guys. 2014 Volvo S60. Yes, welcome to Fort Lauderdale, of course. Guys, look at this beautiful color. Vehicle came out from Sarasota. Vehicle is owned by a nice lady, always serviced in the Volvo shop, Sarasota. Take a look at the Carfax. Yes, you'll find the records there. The records that you're actually looking for are there. I'm not gonna say which records, but before you call me and ask me a question, look at the Carfax. All your answers are there. Alright. And I want to say especially thank you to Howard from Ho Ho Buys Cars to get me this vehicle, because he knows I love these vehicles. Thank you, Howard. Now let's go to the car. Nice, beautiful tires. Beautiful tires. What size of these tires? It's a Goodyears, guys. 235 45 17. You got lots of brake pads there. You got a beautiful body. I don't see any damages. Do you see anything? I don't see anything. Look at that beautiful color. Okay, the headlights are nice. The bumper is nice. The grille is not cracked. It's beautiful. The hood is nice. I don't see any rock chips. I don't see any issues. You got nice Volvo windshield, which is original. Take a look. Nice sunroof, nice roof, nice and nice again. Beautiful also. Goodyear tires are matching. Tires are like new. They're not new. They're like new because we never installed them. So we can't tell you it's new, because once it's new, it's when you just installed them. Guys, I talked too much today. I'm so sorry. Look at that seat. I like it. Look at these seats. It's actually very nice, especially on this side. You can see there's no wear and tear, only like a little bit right here. You got a book, Volvo Villacchi. Okay, what is that? Volvo Sarasota. Take a look. Original salesperson. Okay, I'm gonna start the car as soon as we get to that point. All right, look at that headliner right here. Let's go on another side. Guys, I'm gonna do this a little quicker because it's very hot in here. Okay, like 100 degrees. All right, this is beautiful. Look at that. Carpets are nice. It's a non-smoker, guys. Does not smell like any cigarettes. Look at that leather. Beautiful. Headliner is good on here. Okay, beautiful leather. All the stitching, everything. Just gorgeous car. Howard, thank you. You told me it was gorgeous. The VIN number right here. Okay. Now it's a T5. Okay. Very good. So the remote works. And let's see what's in here. Okay. I'm guessing it's right there like a compressor. It's a compressor. You got a jack. It's nice. Okay, we'll go on the bottom here. Take a look. And for my friends in Northeast, guys, buy this vehicle. We'll ship it to you. It's $1 to $1.50 shipping. You don't need to buy those rust buckets from Massachusetts. You can just buy this one without any rust. Alright? Alrighty then. Okay, we got this side. Beautiful tire, beautiful body. Bottom line, guys, this car is beautiful. That's a bottom line. Look at that. Look at that. The texture. I like that texture. I think the Volvo uses like a real leather here, because it's beautiful. It's like a sofa. I don't think anybody was sitting here because it's like new. Okay, let's start here. Okay, you got the wear and tear on these plastics. We're not gonna paint them. We're not gonna make it fake. We're just gonna sell you the way it is. You got some wear and tear on this driver's seat. This works. This works. I don't know how to. Oh, okay. So this works. Okay. So memory seat's working. Let's see if it does have keyless. Oh, it has keyless. That's nice because the keys are right here. I'll put it here. Now, how do you? I'm gonna pause. Okay. Oh, it has navi. Let's lower. I wanna lower the music so we don't get blocked on YouTube. It does have navigation. All right. Okay. You got belts, doors. Okay, I gotta close the door to get the miles. Okay, got 76421 with miles, guys. 76421 with mileage. This works. This works. This works. This works. This works. Okay. All right. You got some over here, like some kind of situation with the headliner right here. And it was, maybe they fixed it before. I don't know. Let's see. Sunroof works. Okay. So you got sunroof works. The lights work. Okay. You got, how do you switch here? Okay, service status to service in 7 months. How do you switch? Okay, contrast mode, teams, messages. How do you, what's a message? Belts and doors. Okay, so that's the message. Okay. I don't know how this works. Okay, bottom line, guys, no warning lights. That's a beautiful thing. Okay, it takes me too long. All right, nice AC. Does have heated seats. That's nice. All right, and this piece is usual stuff. I'm not gonna pull it. I'm not gonna break it. But these pieces right here, they get stuck because they're in Florida. These are rubber, like plastic. They get melted, they get cracked. So we're not gonna touch it. We're gonna leave it like that. And we're gonna show you right there the armrest. Okay, now let's go open up the hood. Okay. Beautiful car. Alrighty then. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That's what you want to see, guys? Yes. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful car. Guys, friendly disclosure. As usual, this vehicle is sold as is. As you can see it, that's how it gets sold. Taxes, fees, registration is not included in price. Okay, shipping is not included in price. And what else there? That's it. If you guys need any info, call us. You need more pictures, detailed pictures, no problem. Just call us. I'm gonna go on the bottom quick again, right here, so you can see it. Look at that. Look at that. Guys, beautiful car for beautiful people. Thank you so much for watching. God bless. And bye-bye.